Hi and welcome to DMIOA. My name is Sangeeta and I'm the Chief Content Officer at DMIOA. We hope that through this workshop you will benefit as our 8,000 and more students have already done globally. A lot of students do come up to me and ask me, why is it necessary to take a workshop or a certification course in digital marketing? There is plenty of information available all over. Of course, there is more than plenty of information available online. But that knowledge is not at one place and it is very unstructured. So you learn something from another blog and some techniques from another blog. And then together you have to assimilate that knowledge and put it into application. So when you attend a workshop or a certification course, through that you get assimilated knowledge, you get structured knowledge, you get an introduction that is structured so that when you are talking about digital marketing in a job interview to your boss, or even considering a career, you can assimilate your thoughts and speak well. So this workshop is very ideal for those who are considering a career in digital marketing because it gives them an overview and it will also tell them whether they would like to pursue a career further or not. It is good for professionals who want to know if digital marketing can be included into their scope of skills, and also for those of you who are already into marketing because it gives you a structured know-how into digital marketing. These workshops are online, self-paced workshops so that even if you sign up at night, you can start learning straight away at night. You have access to a faculty at fixed timings, so you can log in and ask your doubts. Your faculty will be there, you can ask your doubts there. And then there are assignments and self-assessments. You can submit your assignment through an email and we will respond with a complete structured answer of what went wrong, or you can just do your assignments and contact us when we are there online. At the end of this workshop, we hope that you will have a good overview into digital marketing, understand the elements that are involved in digital marketing, and we hope that you will learn loads. So thank you for signing up. See you soon at the workshop. Bye till then.